So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to your web browser, then you want to click on the three dots or the three lines in the top right. Then you want to click on settings. Now once you're on this, we're going to head over to search and then type in acceleration. And then you want to make sure that use graphics acceleration has been turned off. But if it was already off when you got to this stage, then you want to turn it on. The steps I just showed you are going to look a bit different depending on the web browser that you're using, but it's still going to be quite similar. Now for the second step, you want to head over to search and then type in display settings. Click on it. Now once you're on this, we're going to scroll down. Make sure that your scale and your display resolution are both set to the recommended option. Now once you do that, you want to click on advanced display. You want to make sure that your monitor is using the correct refresh rate. Now for the next step, you want to head over to search and then type in check for updates. Click on it. Now once you're on this, we're going to click on check for updates and do the updates that your computer may have. After completing all those steps, if the problem is still not fixed, then you want to head back into your web browser. Then you want to click on the three dots in the top right. Then you want to click on extensions. If you have any extensions that you think may be causing a problem, you either want to disable it or remove it. If that's still not working for the next method, you want to make sure that your graphics card drivers are fully up to date. So I'm going to leave 3 links down below for Nvidia, AMD and Intel. You want to download the software that comes with your graphics card. So for me, in my case, I have an Nvidia graphics card and I've got GeForce Experience. So once you're on your software, you want to click on drivers and then click on check for updates. Make sure that your graphics card drivers are fully up to date. Now once you complete this method, you want to restart your computer